Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to join a group in Honor of Kings. So in order to do that, first of all, open up Honor of Kings on your device and on the main screen, go ahead and tap on the 4 window key icon at the bottom left corner. Here you will be able to see these several options from where you'll need to tap on Group. Inside the Group tab, go ahead and choose Join from the list of available group options. You can also go ahead and enter the group's name or ID in the search box at the top right, and once you find the name of the group in the search result, tap on Join. You can also write down a request in the text box to join into the group in 55 characters maximum. After writing down the text, tap on Confirm. A group application will then be sent, which you'll need to wait for a certain period of time. Once the group leader or admin accepts your request, you will then be added to the group. And that's it. You will be successfully joining a group in Honor of Kings. After joining in, you can enjoy playing with new teammates and friends. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.